So now let's dive into what is DeepSeek, and let's do a quick demo on how to access the site. So basically, I'm gonna search for DeepSeek, DeepSeek, and then it comes with the AI part, and then here's the main URL, and you can click on Start Now, and then basically it will ask for any URL. So if you have a Google account, you could use a Google account to sign in with that, and it will just make you verify. So in here, I'll just sign up with my account. So that's gonna be, I'll just post it in here and then start. When I start in, I'll show you the other part. So let's say like now basically basically when you click on start now, I already have signed up my account. And the next part, what you could do is just a similar as ChatGPT. So there's no big difference on the interface level, but there's two options. What is the Deep Think R1? And it's like solely in reasoning problems and just internet web search. And you can attach files on here up to 50 files with 100 megabytes each. So basically we'll click on new chat. I think because it's too much people, it's become hype now, right? So a lot of people trying to access the site at the moment, so it's kind of slow. So I click on new chat here, and I could ask something like, all right, let's spin up the chat GPT 2 on the other hand and see what are things. So this is chat GPT. So and this is DeepSeek. So basically it's kind of like a full the same thing. And so what we're gonna ask is, let's ask the same question in the chat GPT and DeepSeek, and let's see what's the outcome they're getting. Uh, what is greater than, I don't know, let's say create me a small HTML snake game. Should learn it to create me a small snake game in HTML. So I'm gonna ask the same thing, copy the same thing to here, and then just gonna do deep think, and then I'm gonna send up both requests at the same time. So for the deep sync, I guess it might be slow today because it's like a lot of people are using it. So I won't say anything about it, but I'm presuming it's kind of slow today. It's normal because like a lot of people are gonna use it, hopefully using it. So see the code is generating on here, but he's still thinking. But just this is, it's really hard to benchmark something that we when is released on the same, like kind of like now it started building up, and it's like giving you like, okay, the user want to stay his name, let me think about how the approach is first. So it basically describe what are the reasoning patterns behind it. Like in other hand, like if you look on the chat GPT, it's straight away doing the code, doesn't ask for the reasoning. Now on the, if you look on the DeepSeek, it's still in the code. So if I open up this, if I click on preview, okay, so you can basically, you could something work. How do you play it? Let me just think about it. How do you play it? I need to read the code on how it. So it says like the if I look on the events, it says the directions are left down, but if I do, but it doesn't listen to my keystrokes. Let me just retry. No, it doesn't listen to my keystrokes, so I need to troubleshoot it a bit. Uh, how do I play it in here? So it says if I run the HTML. Yeah, so it gives the same, like if you look on the coding pattern, I'm gonna stop it. So it gives the same change direction, create paste. So the code might looks the same. So basically it's a JavaScript. So but the code looks the same. So it's kind of like, but in here you will find the reasoning behind it. Like what are the things? What are the collision detection, food generation, place the food in random, movement, styling, and those kind of things. Like it gives you the reasons of the behind the code. While in here, just give you the game. So I will do much. I will try to do more videos on this one later on. And since the DeepSync is like few days in the market, it's been like 1 year the company started doing this project, but it has been like a hit. Like starting 27th on January, it started coming up. I will start doing more videos about this ingestion GPT and the DeepSync comparison between those two platforms. Thank you for joining for the video. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe and also like and share this video with anyone. And hopefully we'll get something, do something new.